Hello everyone! So I'm back! So it's been 2 years since nung last upload ko. Nag-focus muna kasi ako sa job hunting, kaya no time talaga for uploading. So of course, kailangan kumita para sa ekonomiya. So last upload ko ata is 1 year old or months old pa lang baby ko. So ngayon 3 years old na siya and papasok na rin sa school. So, ang first video ko for this year is tungkol sa trabaho ko. So, I am currently working at home nga pala. Mag 2 years na rin ako sa company. BPO industry nga pala ito, under Optum. So, paminsan-minsan, need mag-report on site. May site kami sa Quezon City, Makati, Davao, and Alabang. Pero ako, nagre-report ako sa Northgate in Alabang. So, graveyard shift. Start ng shift ko is 9 p.m. Manila time up to 6 a.m. Maganda dito sa company namin kasi masasabi mo talagang yung work and personal life mo is balance. Since working at home ako, after shift, pwede ko asikasuhin baby ko para mag-prepare for school. And ihatid na rin diretso sa school. After school, that's the time na matutulog ako. So, pasok pa rin naman sa 8 hours sleep. Tsaka, during the shift, while waiting na may pumasok na call, pwede kumain. Ako kasi mahilig kumain and magkape while working. Pang-alis antok ba? Sa mga interested nga pala mag-apply, I can definitely help you. So, open position is Customer Service Representative, Healthcare Account, qualification, at least high school graduate, old or new curriculum. If 4 years graduate ka with or without experience, if college undergrad or high school graduate, at least 6 months BPO experience. So hybrid siya, and just a heads up, no assurance na work from home is available. I mean, totally work from home. So there's no assurance about it. Yung iba, sasabihin, ay, call center, mahirap yan. Ay, hindi ako marunong mag-English. No, it's not. Need mo lang maging optimistic. Always think positive. Ako personally, hindi ako magaling sa grammar. Ang ginagawa ko kasi is nanonood ako ng mga English movies. Kasi madali kang matututo at mahasa sa language. Then, during training, para madali yung process and mas maintindihan ko talaga, step-by-step process talagang tinitake note ko siya. Kahit maliit na detail. Kasi it will really helps you. And sa mga interested mag-apply, please send your resume at my email address. So it's osear80@gmail.com. So osear80@gmail.com. So make sure na active yung mobile number and email address mo para makontak ka ng HR namin. So, ito na muna for today's vlog. Thank you so much and hopefully you will still watch my upcoming vlogs. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye!